PS4 is Secret of the World. So yeah, that's it. Remastered, by the way. I've done the same video, but it's remastered.